Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add double exposure in PicsArt. Adding a double exposure effect in PicsArt allows you to blend two images together, resulting in a surreal and artistic effect. Here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your PicsArt application on your mobile device or your computer, and once you're inside the main home page, click on the Select All Plus button at the top left corner. From the menu, go ahead and select the image you want to use as the base for your double exposure from your gallery, or tap on the background option at the top right and select a stock photo. After choosing a photo and getting it to your timeline, navigate to the bottom of the screen and then tap on Add Photo in order to add another photo. Now you can again select another picture from your camera roll or stock photos. And once you are done selecting the photo, click on Add at the top right hand corner. You will then be able to see two different images in one frame. This is the image that we will be creating the double exposure effect for. The second image will appear over your base image. You can now adjust its size by dragging the corners, rotating it by using the rotating option, pinch in and out, and place it on your desired area. Once you are done placing your image, go ahead and look for the blend option at the bottom and tap on it. Select the blending mode from the options at the bottom that suits your desired effect. Common modes for blending exposure includes multiply, color burn, darken, lighten, screen, overlay, and much more. Experiment with different modes to see which one works best for you, and after you are done, go ahead and tap on the opacity button at the bottom and increase or decrease the opacity of your selected layer. Lowering the opacity will make the second image blend more smoothly with the base image. After you are done adjusting the opacity, you can now finalize and save your image. Click on Apply at the top right corner and then click on Next at the top right corner. Save your image by clicking on Save at the bottom left, or share it to different social media by clicking on Post and following the prompts. This way you can create double exposure images in PicsArt. Keep exploring with the options in order to get the best out of it. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.